In 1976, then Prime Minister Michael Manley had a vision for a Jamaica where every citizen could own a home. This vision led to the establishment of the National Housing Trust, NHT, an institution designed to provide affordable housing solutions for the average Jamaican. However, over the years, this vision has been eroded, and the NHT has become inaccessible to the very people it was meant to serve. Michael Manley's dream was rooted in the belief that home ownership was a fundamental right, essential for building strong families, communities, and a prosperous nation. The NHT was tasked with making this dream a reality by providing affordable housing options, low-interest loans, and technical assistance to would-be homeowners. In its early years, the NHT made significant strides in delivering on its mandate. Thousands of Jamaicans benefited from the trust programs, and home ownership rates increased dramatically. However, over time, the NHT's focus began to shift. The institution became increasingly bureaucratic and its programs more restrictive. Today, the NHT is a shadow of its former self. The trust loans have become prohibitively expensive, with interest rates rivaling those of commercial banks. The application process is cumbersome, and the eligibility criteria are so stringent that only a select few can qualify. The result is that the NHT has become a haven for the wealthy, who can afford the high cost and navigate the complex application process. The average Jamaican, the very person the NHT was designed to serve, is now priced out of the market. This is a far cry from Michael Manley's vision of a Jamaica where every citizen could own a home. The NHT's failure to deliver on its mandate has had far-reaching consequences, exacerbating poverty, inequality, and social unrest. It is time for Jamaica to reclaim the vision of its former leader. The NHT must be reformed to make it more accessible, affordable, and responsive to the needs of the average Jamaican. This will require a fundamental transformation of the institution's culture, policies, and practices. Only then can we hope to realize Michael Manley's dream of a Jamaica where every citizen can own a home and where the NHT is a beacon of hope rather than a symbol of exclusivity and elitism. If this kind of content resonates with you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.